The Igbo man wants to dominate you. The Igbo man wants to take you over. Let us be honest and speak truth to ourselves, so that God who created us will look at us and say, yes, these are my children. The average northerner does not like to operate beyond his natural habitat. Same applies to the westerner. Do your youth service in the East. Distinguish yourself. You get employed. You are even given a parcel of land. You are a Yoruba man, you abandon all that. You run back home. When an Hausa man, you do the same thing. An Igbo man picks up that employment and develops that parcel of land. Then you turn around and say he wants to dominate you. That's unfair to God who created all of us. God gave us talent, every one of us, right? You don't bury your talent and blame the other people. I'm an actor. We have Nollywood in Nigeria. The British colonized us and left us with English language as a lingua franca. What does that mean? The English language he left us was to enable us to communicate, since we cannot talk in our various tribes and our various tongues. So we can communicate. But we are not, because we don't want to. Now, what is nationalism? In 1956, the Queen of England visited Nigeria. It was the Rolls Royce that belonged to Sir Louis Odumegwu Ojukwu that was used in taking the Queen round Lagos. I want you to quote me. He didn't ask Nigeria to give him a kobo. No, he donated it. Lagos was the capital of Nigeria. And so everybody got to Lagos to be part of whatever was going on, to get a slice of the cake if you like. Because of political differences that have their reasons, by the way, our brothers who are Yorubas now turn around and say that we want to take over their land, we want to dominate them, we want to. The Igbo man never occupies anybody's land. The Igbo man is enterprising, that is his nature. He comes to your place, he begs you to permit him purchase a little parcel of land. You sell that parcel of land to him, he develops it. He wants to trade, so what does he do? He moves around the community. He finds out what the people need that they don't have access to. He sets up a small store and begins to sell those things. And before you know it, he expands that store. This is the Igbo man's life up to this moment. There is no part of the world you go to that you don't find Igbos. There's none. And by the way, wherever you find them, they're very progressive. Extremely. As a matter of fact, only a few days ago, it was announced on the CNN that of all the black immigrants to America, the most successful are the Igbos.